She told me, she said, "You're trying to pair me with someone, but I'm that girl." Hey y'all, my name is Brandi LaShay, and in today's video, we are going to be doing a product review. Our product up for review is going to be Cream by the Doux. Now, I know this product isn't new, but it's new to me, and I just wanted to try it. I've been in this twist out phase of my life, and I wanted to give some new products a try. Do I need new products? No, but that's not important right now. This product is a twist plus curl cream, the perfect twist out, all curl types. That's what it says. Just to give you the description, it says cream defines, moisturizes, and elongates twists, braids, and curls while strengthening brittle strands to aid in length retention. Hair dries soft and silky with soft, touchable hold. This product contains coconut oil, rose oil, vitamin E oil, avocado oil, and manoi oil. And then the directions say to apply to clean, damp hair, twist into sections, air dry or sit under a hooded dryer. We will be sitting under a hooded dryer until hair is completely dry, style as desired. Well, let's go ahead and see what this product is talking about. All right, so initially opening. Oh, she's thick. Oh, she's really thick. And she gives Play-Doh. I just reviewed the Bonita Afro Balm, and this is kind of giving the same smell. Yeah, it's giving Play-Doh. It is, but it's a super thick product. Very creamy like the name intends. So I'm excited. Now for today's video, we are going to be doing a twist out, and I thought I would do something a little bit different. I am going to apply this product all over my head, but on one of the sides, we're going to be going in with the Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam. I just want to see if this could be a possible combo, and we're going to kill two birds with one stone. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take a little bit of the cream, and I'm just going to apply this all over. And what I'm feeling for is slip. Okay, so it doesn't feel like I thought it was going to feel. I thought it was going to be like real slippery, real slick. It kind of like dilutes and it feels watery. That is interesting. That's not what I thought. It doesn't really glide on as easily as well. That is so weird. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. Okay. But it did absorb into my hair strands very well. As you can see, there's really no product just kind of sitting on top of my hair. So that is a good thing. I'm going to go in and just create a middle part down my hair. Okay. Now that I have my two sections, I'm going to pin this one out the way. And we're going to work on our twist on this side. We're going to leave this side for the Crazy Sexy Curl mousse to be added. Okay? Okay. So let me create my subsections really, really quick. Alright, so I have three sections on this side, and I'm going to go ahead and start in the front. I can't lie to you, I'm a little disappointed by the feel of this product. I don't like it. And I'm just going to add some more to this section and really coat it. I like my hair to be saturated in product. This is going to make your drying time longer. You're going to have to sit under the hooded dryer more than you would for, let's say, a foam. But I do think you should saturate your entire hair so that all of your hair gets the product. I'm going to go in with my brush, and this is going to further ensure that that product gets everywhere. Okay. I will say, now that I have my hair split into sections, it is feeling better. It's feeling more silky smooth. It's just that initial application wasn't the best for me. But it does feel better. I'm going to get a little bit closer. That way we can do these flat twists together. I'm not going to do too many today because I'm not trying to be here all day. But I do want to have some really neat, nice flat twists. This is not necessarily a tutorial, you guys. I do have a video explaining how I flat twist. I have a few videos explaining how I flat twist, so I will leave those somewhere around here, and be sure to check those out. I'm just gonna go in and do some flat twisting. All right, so as you can see, we did the back. I'm not gonna bore you with this side because it's gonna be the same thing we did on this side, but I did want you to see the combo and how it looks on my hair marinated together, okay? So I'm gonna take some more cream. Now I'm gonna go in with the foam. A very generous amount. I like how the combo feels together, you guys. I really like it. It's giving great slip. It gives like a wet feel, obviously. And it just makes my hair feel more saturated, more coated. The cream does a great job on its own at making your hair feel coated, but I don't know, something about a foam, it just goes together to me. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? The definite, girl. Yeah, I'm liking the combo, you guys. I really am. I don't know how it's gonna dry. I could be speaking out of turn right now, but I like how this feels. Yeah, these are two totally different twists, in my opinion. But we don't know until we know. Alright, you guys, so twists are complete. I am gonna go in with my mini clips. As I'm wrapping up putting these mini clips in my head, I am gonna sit under the hooded dryer for about an hour, and I will be back. Good morning, you guys. Okay, it is time for the takedown. So, as you can see, those mini clips are out of my head. I never sleep with them. I just think that it could be kind of damaging and they're kind of uncomfortable. So once my hair was completely dry under the hooded dryer, I removed the mini clips, let my hair sit around for the rest of the night, and we're back here in the morning. It's 7 a.m. but I'm here for you. Let's start with the takedown. I think I want to, oh, that's a difference. Okay, so off the bat, this side has more hold. I already feel it. This one is more spongy. This one is like fighting back. You know what I'm saying? In a good way. So I'm gonna start with this side. Just because we put the twist in on this side, we're gonna take it down on this side, okay? Okay. Unravel the other way, just enough to pull the pieces apart. And they should, oh, it's gliding right apart, y'all. Oh, yeah, hold on, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I was reciting Young Jock, by the way. It's too early. Anyways, all right, so I will say, although the definition is there, it is not the best takedown I ever had. Like, my hair is not melting out of these twists. Let me see. So I feel the residue from the curling cream, not a bad residue. I feel that moisture that it's left behind, and I really enjoy it. Also, I don't know how this side is, but I'm smelling the Play-Doh smell, but it's not as strong as it was when my hair was wet. So I feel like it's gonna definitely fade over time. But it is giving Bonita. I really need to compare the two to see which one I like better. As I'm moving along though, my hair is getting easier and easier to take down. Okay, yeah, I just feel the cast. It's definitely giving crazy sexy curl. Is it the best combo that I've ever tried in my life? No, but it is a really good combo. Let's go ahead and move on to the cream by itself. This one feels a little more spongy. Like, it doesn't have the same cast. It's not as shiny to me. I will say the takedown is much easier on this side. And I feel like the twists are kind of melting apart on this side. Yeah, there's a definite difference in the way my hair is separating. Wow, okay. And it feels softer. Like I said, it's a more spongy, soft feel, so. But it still has some structure, like it still has some hold. It just feels more spongy. Yeah, I don't even have to recoil the ends as much. It just kind of, like I said, it's falling apart, so there's no real frizz happening. Wow, okay. So I do smell it more on this side. I think the Crazy Sexy Curl mousse definitely dissipated some of that smell, versus on this side, I definitely smell more of the Play-Doh. Also on this side, I do feel more of that moisture. My hands feel very slippery, slicky, smooth, which I really enjoy. It means that my hair is moisturized. It means it looks healthy, and I'm all for that. So, let's pick it out. And I'm working from the bottom out. You see the difference. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wow. I like, ooh. Can we say they both look amazing? Yeah. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Huh? You know I'm dramatic. Don't get me started. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Final thoughts. First off, this was surprising. I believe this is a one product show. It can stand on its own. It doesn't need any help. She told me, she said, "You're trying to pair me with someone, but I'm that girl." That's what she said. I couldn't believe it either. Now, the combo. Is it nice? Yes. Is it necessary? I don't think so. I think I'm agreeing that she can stand on her own. I'm gonna go ahead and give this the seal of approval. If you are looking for a curly cream, if you are a curly cream type of girl, I would recommend this. This is a really good product. Would I pair it with my Crazy Sexy Curl mousse? Probably not. I think I would just go with this by itself. So, alright you guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Brandi LaShay, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.